Dr. Ovai Kenneth-Odum, a visionary entrepreneur shaping Africa's floristry landscape. Dr. Ovai Kenneth-Odum is a name synonymous with innovation, entrepreneurship, and leadership in Africa. As the founder and CEO of Rukkies House Group, she leads a diverse consortium of companies that are making significant strides in industries such as floral artistry, creative design, business consultation, women's beauty, and events management. Her work exemplifies the balance between creativity and commerce, and she stands out as a business leader committed to fostering growth across the continent. Rukkies House Group, under Dr. Ovai's leadership, is a force for change, bringing creative solutions to the floristry industry while catering to the evolving needs of clients. Her expertise as a design maestro and business consultant allows her to navigate the floral industry with ease, positioning the company as a global sourcing partner. By integrating innovation and strategic thinking, Dr. Ovai has transformed her ventures into key players in their respective fields, proving her ability to turn vision into reality. Dr. Ovai has positioned herself as a role model for the next generation. Beyond her impressive business acumen, she is an inspiration for young women, particularly those aspiring to lead and innovate in traditionally male-dominated sectors. Her story is one of resilience and determination, a testament to what can be achieved with hard work and passion. With a degree in media and communication arts from the University of Uyo, she demonstrates her commitment to both education and personal growth, values that resonate with the many young people who look up to her. Dr. Ovai's contributions have not gone unnoticed. She is the recipient of multiple awards, including Africa's CEO of the Year, Most Influential Global Leader of the Year, Young Entrepreneur of the Year 2024, and Innovative Entrepreneur of the Year. These accolades are a reflection of her impact not only within her industry but also across the African business community. In a crowning achievement, she was recently conferred an honorary doctorate degree, honoris causa, by Prowess University in Delaware, USA, a recognition of her remarkable achievements and contributions to entrepreneurship. Her influence extends far beyond the African continent. Dr. Ovai has been featured in internationally recognized publications, including U.S. Times, New York Business Now, Moguls of Business, American Business Stars, Stars of Entrepreneurship, Yahoo Finance, and Business Sharks. This international recognition underscores her role as a global business leader and a driving force in shaping the future of entrepreneurship. Dr. Ovai Kenneth-Odum is more than just a businesswoman, she is a trailblazer who continues to shape industries and inspire a new generation of leaders. Through her work at Rukkies House Group, she has not only created a thriving business empire but also empowered countless individuals to pursue their dreams. Her accolades and global recognition speak volumes about her impact, but it is her passion for innovation, creativity, and leadership that truly defines her legacy.